For many people, every morning is the same. The alarm rings. A lightning-fast breakfast is grabbed. But what if that breakfast is missing one key thing that makes your engine rev? Scientific research reveals that many vegans are unknowingly slowing their metabolism. This means you can learn how to burn 20% fewer calories with just simple mix-and-match food mistakes today. We find out how smart protein pairing can turn things around and give natural energy. The first mistake: underestimating protein needs. Meet a 32-year-old professional passionate about healthy living, Jordan. Eager to embrace a sustainable lifestyle, Jordan adopted a vegan diet, enjoying colorful salads, hearty bean stews, and tofu dishes. For years, he believed that his plant-based meals provided all the protein his body needed. Despite his efforts, he experienced persistent low energy levels and slow recovery after exercise. So, what was going wrong? It turns out that many plant-based proteins are inherently incomplete, lacking one or two of the essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and optimal metabolic function. Without a full spectrum of these amino acids, even a seemingly balanced vegan diet may not adequately support muscle maintenance or keep the metabolism operating at full throttle. Jordan's experience is not unique. Research suggests that up to 30% of vegans report feeling tired or sluggish despite consuming what appears to be enough protein by quantity. The key issue lies in the quality and combination of protein sources, not just the total protein intake. The moment of change. One busy afternoon, after a workout that left Jordan feeling more drained than usual, a question arose. Am I really fueling my body the right way? A visit to a nutrition expert shed light on the issue. The expert explained that while Jordan's meals had plenty of protein in grams, many of those proteins were incomplete. Scientific evidence shows that the body requires all 9 essential amino acids for proper muscle repair and metabolic function. Animal products naturally contain these complete proteins. However, most single plant sources do not. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that missing even one essential amino acid can lower muscle recovery rates by up to 20%. With this knowledge, Jordan decided to go on a 30-day journey to rework the diet. The goal was simple: to use strategies for complete amino acid profile and give the metabolism a much-needed boost. Week 1. Laying the scientific foundation. During his first week of digging into the science behind protein, Jordan discovered that his meals were missing a crucial element: a complete amino acid profile. Even though he was eating plenty of beans, lentils, and tofu, he learned that these foods often fall short on 1 or 2 essential amino acids. For instance, while beans are rich in lysine, they're usually low in methionine, and grains have methionine but not enough lysine. Without combining these complementary foods, like pairing rice with beans, he wasn't getting the full range of amino acids his body needed for muscle repair and a kick in metabolism. By keeping a food diary, Jordan realized that many of his meals were built on a single source of protein, which might explain why he often felt fatigued, a problem that up to 30% of vegans report. This insight was the missing piece in his meal planning puzzle, leading him toward a smarter, more balanced approach to his diet. Week 2. Reworking the meal plan. Armed with a solid understanding of protein science, Week 2 was all about putting that knowledge into action. For breakfast, meals were reimagined with a twist. Instead of a plain bowl of oatmeal or a basic tofu scramble, the focus shifted to mixing whole grains with a side of beans or a spoonful of nut butter. Research shows that a balanced breakfast can boost morning energy by 10 to 15%, setting a positive tone for the day. Lunches became a chance for creative pairings. A classic dish combined quinoa, known for its near-complete protein profile, with a colorful mix of chickpeas and vegetables. Nutritional research suggests that such meals can improve muscle recovery by about 20% compared to meals relying on a single protein source. Dinners were also changed. Traditional pasta dishes were swapped for whole-grain pasta paired with a lentil-based sauce. A side of steamed greens provided extra vitamins and minerals, which work together with proteins to support overall metabolic health. And remember, if you find it hard to meet your protein needs from whole foods, consider adding fortified plant-based milks, vegan protein powders, or nutritional yeast. These options can help you reach your daily protein goals and ensure your meals provide all the essential amino acids your body needs. Week 3. Observing the impact. By the 3rd week, the changes started to show noticeable results. Friends and colleagues began to remark on Jordan's renewed energy and brighter appearance. More importantly, after workouts, the recovery process was noticeably faster. However, the journey was not without challenges. One afternoon, a large fruit smoothie was made with the idea that more fruits meant more energy. Instead, the natural sugars caused a quick energy burst that ended in a mid-afternoon crash. This hiccup reinforced an important lesson. While fruits and vegetables are essential, every food group plays a specific role. Moderation and balance are key. Week 4. The metabolic turnaround. Entering the final week of the challenge, a remarkable transformation was evident. Energy levels were higher, muscles recovered faster, and overall well-being improved. Global studies back up these changes, with many individuals experiencing a 20 to 30% boost in energy after correcting their protein pairing habits. Jordan's meals were now a carefully crafted mix of complete proteins. A favorite became a Buddha bowl featuring a combination of tempeh, black beans, quinoa, and a variety of fresh vegetables. Such dishes are not only delicious, but are scientifically proven to offer all the essential amino acids the body needs. Research from leading nutrition experts confirms that complete protein meals support not just muscle repair, but also hormone regulation and a more efficient calorie burn. The lesson here is simple. A vegan diet can offer many benefits, but if you do not pay attention to how you combine your proteins, you may be slowing your metabolism without knowing it. By understanding that many plant proteins are incomplete and learning how to pair them correctly, you can give your body all the essential amino acids it needs. With smart protein pairing, you can enjoy a boost in energy, better muscle recovery, and a faster metabolism. Thank you for joining this exploration of vegan protein deficiency and the metabolism-slowing mistake that many people make like Jordan. Use these tips to plan your meals and enjoy the benefits of a well-fueled, energetic body. Every bite is a chance to build a stronger, healthier you.